We are here in Apia, Samoa. Let's go by the Samoa markets. Check it out. This is where everyone goes for their run. They come up here, sit down, chill. And this is the main bus stop here in Apia. So if you're trying to go anywhere around the island, this is where you come to the bus stop, get your bus to whatever village you need to go to, and do your thing. Look, you got a bus pulling up right now. Let's go. So yeah, this is my beautiful Samoa, guys. Probably wondering why I like coming out here. Auntie! Oh my, look, I got some beautiful Auntie. Oh, how are you? Inspiration. Not only a pastor, she's a workout fitness. Let's go.
Hey, you know, looking good takes time and effort.
You see? Oh, shout out to my Auntie. Out here doing no more. Yeah, Auntie. Trying to get our workout. You eat too much egg foo young. Love you. Let's have a good workout. Let's go. Hell yeah. So we're out here getting this workout. Look, we already about to. It's a small one. You're gonna bump into a lot of people you know out here. But also, yeah, see, good vibes out here, man. Everyone just chilling. As long as you put a smile on your face in here in Samoa, no one will give you no problems, man. Everyone's chill. But if you're gonna go walking around my little island, bugging out everybody, somebody's gonna step you out. But if you put a smile on your face and say hi to everyone, oh, good vibes. And out here, when you're happy with something and you like something, they say seki. So like, what's up, Woosh? You good? Like, seki. Oh, you feel that? So that's the word of the day, seki. Arimo, you feel okay? Yeah. No, it's supposed to say seki. Like, you feel good, Mom? Huh? You're supposed to say seki. See? So seki means hell, you're good.